personal reflection on New Year's Eve in Jamaica. New Year's Eve in Jamaica is like no other. Steeped in warmth, joy, and the unmistakable rhythm of the island. As the final hours of the year unfold, there is an almost tangible electricity in the air. It is not merely the anticipation of midnight, but the collective spirit of a people who know how to celebrate, reflect, and embrace life's blessings, even amidst challenges. In the early evening, family and friends gather, often around tables laden with hearty dishes. Escovitch fish, curried goat, rice and peas, and fried plantains are staples, bringing a taste of tradition to the celebrations. The sound of clinking glasses filled with sorrel, tinged red from the hibiscus flowers, mingles with bursts of joy and lively chatter. Children dart around, their faces alight with excitement, while adults reminisce about the year gone by. The streets hum with activity as neighbors exchange greetings and vendors sell colorful fireworks. By nightfall, churches across the island open their doors for watch night services. These services, deeply rooted in Jamaica's Christian heritage, are a cornerstone of New Year's Eve. There is something profoundly moving about joining others in worship. Singing hymns of gratitude and praying for guidance in the year to come. It is a time for both individual and collective introspection, a reminder that amidst life's uncertainties, faith remains a steadfast anchor. As midnight approaches, the atmosphere becomes electric. Fireworks light up the sky. Their brilliant colors are mirrored by the glistening Caribbean Sea. The crackle and boom resonate like a heartbeat, echoing across towns and villages. People shout, cheer, and embrace as the clock strikes 12, welcoming the new year with unrestrained joy. Some even dip their hands in the ocean, believing the cool waters bring blessings and a fresh start. For me, New Year's Eve in Jamaica is a blend of nostalgia and hope. It is a moment to pause and give thanks for the simple yet profound blessings of life. Family, community, and the beauty of this island home. As the music of reggae and dancehall flows into the early hours, I'm reminded that the new year is not just a reset, but a continuation of the journey shaped by resilience, love, and the unyielding Jamaican spirit. This is a lesson in how Jamaicans approach this time of transition. It is not about perfection or grandeur, but about authenticity. Celebrating what was, embracing what is, and looking forward to what could be. And in that, there is much to learn and cherish as the dawn of the new year rises over the island.